Welcome to Learners Math TV. We're going to learn how to solve problems involving radical equation. In this problem, ang sabi, in the proportion a over x is equal to x over b, x is the geometric mean between a and b. So the problem is, what is the geometric mean between 8 and 9? So let us be familiar first what a geometric mean is. Ang sabi dyan, the geometric mean of nth term is the product of the terms to the nth root, where n represents the number of terms. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, kung meron kang A and B, so how many terms do you have? Meron kang dalawa. So, sabi dyan kasi, n represent the number of terms. So, ang sabi, is the product of the terms to the nth root. So, ibig sabihin, if n is the number of terms, nth root means the square root because we have two terms. So, it means in these problems, the geometric mean is the square root of a and b. Okay? So, let us proceed solving this problem. For our solution, we have a over x is equal to x over b. So then x times x is equal to x squared, then a times b. Now let us plug in 8 and 9 because they are the values of a and b respectively. So x squared is equal to 8 times 9. So let us extract the square root from both sides of the equation. So it means x is equal to the square root of 72. To simplify our answer, x is equal to the square root of 6 squared times 2. Why 6 squared times 2? Because 6 squared is equivalent to 36 times 2 equals 72. Ginawa natin yan para mailabas natin yung 6, applying the laws of radicals. So, x is equal to 6 square root of 2. Okay? So, yan na ngayon yung ating geometric mean. The geometric mean in our problem is 6 square root of 2. So, lagi lang natin tatandaan, lagi kong sinasabi, na sa math, upang maging mahusay, practice at laging pagpapractice lang ang kinakailangan.